Hi everybody, it's time for part 2 of great phrases to use during a business lunch or dinner. So if you're ready to improve your professional small talk skills, keep watching. Welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people out there. Before we start the lesson, a quick reminder. Subscribe to my channel, hit the red button and click on the bell, and don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my vocabulary newsletter with great business vocabulary for you to learn. The link is in the description, so go and check it out, sign up after you watch this video. And now we can start the lesson. Are you ready? Here we go. In part 1 of great phrases to use at a business dinner, we looked at things like talking about the menu, recommending food, and starting a conversation. In part 2, we're going to look at ordering, paying, and making more conversation. Let's start with ordering. Here are some things you can say to your business partner, customer, or colleague. Are you ready to order? Would you like me to order for you? What are you having? This is a very informal way to ask what they have decided to choose. What are you having? Should we order more drinks? Would you like to order some dessert? A great topic for conversation at the restaurant is food, so why not ask about food in their country or where they're from? What's the most popular traditional dish in Poland? What does it taste like? What do people normally drink with a meal? Is Asian food popular? Now let's ask about the meal, but before we do, in a lot of countries and a lot of languages there's a phrase or a word that we use to say when we start eating. In France they say bon appétit, in German they say Mahlzeit or guten Appetit, and in English we say enjoy your meal, or just simply enjoy. Now let's look at some questions that you can ask about the food. So, how's the paella? Do you like it? Oh, I'm sorry you don't like it. Would you prefer to order something else? So you finished the meal and now it's time to pay. Here are some useful phrases to use at this stage. Shall we get the bill? This one's on me. So this is quite informal and we use this to let the other person or the group know that you want to pay, that they are invited. This one's on me. And if they don't like that or if the other person wants to pay, you can say, no, I insist. You're my guest. And finally, some phrases for leaving the restaurant. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Would you like to go for a drink before heading back to your hotel? It was great to get to know you a bit better. Would you like me to call a taxi? So that brings us to the end of this small talk lesson. I hope you liked it and I hope you can try out some of those phrases at your next business dinner. All of the phrases are included in the description. If you liked the lesson, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my business vocabulary newsletter with lots of great vocabulary for you to learn. The link to sign up is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.